Hello, Binoy.
Hello.
Hi. Hello. How are you, sir?
Fine, I am fine.
How are you, Binoy?
Fine.
Okay, nice. We have our dealer, a dealer of Indac, Mr. Nanan, and we have Binoy, son of Mr. Nanan, sir. Okay. Hi, Binoy. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Tell me something about the Century Traders.
Century Traders is a company which was started by my father about 20 years ago.
Okay.
About that time, being a new entrant, and none, very few companies were ready to deal with my father. Being a new entrant, anyone would be scared a bit. But then, yes, now because of his persistent hard work, his continuous hard work, he has now grown to this position, and he now deals with quite a few reputed companies, of which Indac company is one of them.
Okay, nice. So you are into the past 20 years, you are into this business. Okay, nice. Just tell me something about the Indac company. I mean, you are the biggest dealer of Indac company. So tell me, just share your views about the Indac company, about the product.
Of course, it does makes us proud to be the best dealers of Indac company. Indac company is one of the best manufacturing company of retreading materials. The deal we formed an alliance about quite a few years ago, and the participation, which we should talk of obviously, the participation of Indac company and our company in the deal has been proper 50-50%, due to which the relationship has grown quite a few amounts over the last few years.
Okay,
It has been strengthened quite a lot.
Nice. So you are happy with the company?
Of course, we are satisfied with the company.
Okay, so you are happy and satisfied with the company.
Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice. Okay, tell me something about the customers. Are they
Customers-
satisfied with the Indac or not?
I'll tell you one point. When my father formed this deal, he started out with about 5 tons of your product, and
Okay, 5
now
tons per month.
5 tons per month
Okay.
of your product,
Mhm.
and now the quantity of product which we purchase from your company is about 6 times the original, that is 30
Okay.
tons.
Okay, nice. So you are taking 30 tons per month.
30 tons of Indac products,
Okay.
and indirectly it is because of the customers who are satisfied. They are demanding more and more of Indac products.
Nice, nice. That's a huge growth. Okay, so ultimately customers are also satisfied. There is a repeat demand or not?
Of course, there's a repeat demand. In fact, the growth in the purchase of Indac products, that is 6 times the original, it is a solid proof that the customers are very satisfied with the product.
Okay, it proves that dealers are happy with Indac and even the customers are also happy with the Indac.
Of course.
Okay, what about the complaint ratio? Are they increasing
Complaint-
or decreasing?
There has been a few minor complaints like about channel cracks and chipping of the products, retreading
Okay,
materials.
okay.
But as I said to you earlier, the relationship has been fantastic. We immediately notified the Indac authorities, the
Okay.
authorities in the company about such complaints, and they responded quite quickly to the complaints, and thus, yes, the graph is decreasing of complaints.
Okay, so ultimately company is listening to you, listening the complaints, and they are taking the solution of the complaint.
As I said to you earlier, the participation in this alliance of Century Traders and Indac company has been a proper 50-50%. Whatever demands, whatever complaints, whatever opinions we had, we gave it to the company. Honestly, we gave it to the company, and the company in turn has responded quite quickly and quite honestly to our opinions, to our complaints, and thus this helped the relationship to be strengthened to this much.
Nice, nice. Okay, tell me something about the marketing and technical support. What kind of support you are getting from Indac in terms of marketing also and technical also?
Indac company has been providing us with all-round support, be it in any area like technical areas or marketing areas. Whenever we needed to market a product in an area where Indac had not yet entered that market, we notified the authorities that we need a marketing team to make our presence, that is to make Indac's presence known in that area. And yes, the authorities have responded quite quickly and positively to our opinion, to our queries and to our demands, and thus yes, we are satisfied with the technical as well as marketing people over there.
Okay, so marketing people are active.
Of course, they
Okay,
are.
and technically they are all very sound.
Yes, technically they have been very sound. They have been very positively responding to our demands.
Okay, nice. Just share some views about the trade patterns.
Trade patterns, new trade patterns have been
Yeah.
entering our market since the last 3 to 4 months. Every 3 to 4 months, if I should say. due to which there has been quite a competition now in the market. So we accordingly notify the authorities over in the Indac company about the new patterns emerging, new patterns which are procured from other companies, and we also give our opinions about new designs which can be used, new patterns which can be used, which can be brought into the market. And yes, even though a bit delayed, Indac are definitely in the race.
Okay, so it means that they are good into the research and development team.
Yeah, the R&D team has been fantastic.
Nice, nice. So, he is Binoy, Mr. Nana is here. We shared some views about the Indac and about the market. That's it. Thank you. Thanks, Binoy. Thank you, Nana sir.